It's Anita Gibbs with 360 Payments, asking if you're ready for the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. Coming up right now, it's the rundown.
Welcome back to the rundown. Kevin, we are off to a great start for 2026. January is already hitting numbers that we want to see coming out of the gate. We're starting that snowball effect. Over our friends over at Market Genie, we're seeing over the last 4 weeks, sales are up actually 3%, showing a turnaround from last year's sales decline. What are you seeing on your SMS side, and what are shop owners saying?
Two things that I'll say. The first is we just got back from our AMP annual kickoff. We had a customer advisory board there. Most of the customer feedback has been that a lot of consumers are getting used to the new normal of, prices being a little bit higher, availability of technicians, of tariffs, settling into it and allowing for better scheduling of maintenance, more recurring maintenance. The second thing is legit product metrics. We started off very strong, just looking at 26 to 25 year over year. And we had about 296,000 ROs. That's 36,000 more in the month of January than we had in 2025. So pretty strong to start the year. Hopefully we can continue that. How about on the website and conversion side?
Yeah, actually that RO trend totally aligns with what I'm seeing for search intent. So specifically auto repair near me, looking at 26 over 25 in January, we're actually up 30 points. So it totally goes in line with what you're seeing. Love to see the early momentum, especially in Q1. Kevin, over to our favorite topic, the feel good. What do you have for us?
We just got a chance to celebrate this last week. News came out of aftermarket, and Tony, you're well aware of it because you're very close to it, that Margaret Polango of ASI is celebrating her 20th year, which also means that she is planning her retirement. So we're going to be really sad to see Margaret go, but she's done an awesome job with that company, with that product, with the industry at large. She's going to continue her work in women in auto care and a lot of other associations. You'll probably still see her at conferences, but she's going to take a little bit of a step back from the day-to-day. So we want to recognize Margaret during this rundown video and say congratulations, you've done an awesome job, and we hope you enjoy retirement. Thanks everybody for joining the rundown, and we'll see you next time.